Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I will show you how to boot your device from USB driver. So first of all, of course, your laptop has to be turned off in order to boot it from USB, and in order to enter the boot menu you'll have to use the power button. So click on it once, and once you click on it, use the escape button to open the boot menu. Basically what you have to do is immediately start pressing escape button once you turn your device on. So click on the power button and start pressing the escape button until your device switches on. Okay, and right now you can select the boot menu. You can just press F9 button or scroll down to the boot menu and press enter, and then to boot your device from USB you have to select the USB driver. So the UEFI is the Windows for me if you have one, and the UEFI generic USB is the USB driver. So scroll down to it using your arrow keys, then press enter, and your device will boot into the USB driver instead. And as you can see, I got the Windows setup window. I think that you probably too, maybe the Linux one, but generally that's it. That's how you boot your device into the boot driver, into your USB driver. So if you want to exit just like me, just click on the X icon, then click yes, and your device will restart normally. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.